Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. The swipe up gestures is one of the routine gestures used with mobile phones, allowing users to quickly reach a specific page. However, people gradually find that swipe up can't work on their iPhone. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Enable access at lock screen. For that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Find and tap on Face ID and passcode. Input the passcode to screen lock. Toggle on the Control Center option under the Allow Access when locked column. Solution 3. Enable access within apps. To do this, launch Settings apps. Next, tap on Control Center. Now, switch on the access within apps. Solution 4. Turn off VoiceOver. For that, navigate to Settings. Scroll to the Accessibility option and locate the VoiceOver feature. Then you can toggle off it to see if iPhone swipe up not working is fixed. Solution 5. Update your iPhone. You will may be unable to use the swipe function due to bugs, so the best option to fix it would be to install the new update. To update, open the Settings app. Next, find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 6. Reset all settings. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.